You better go make it safe out here.
All right. I got this. There's a seed in there? Oh my goodness.
Can we touch it?
Yeah. Is the cow eating it as it goes in? He's just like doesn't even touch the ground.
We're taking the plants out so that the carrots can grow and keep growing underneath.
Look, okay, it's under them. This cow is, that cow is hungry.
He's always hungry.
Wait,
Oh my goodness, Weston, look at this one. That's a huge one. That's a huge one too. This one's bigger. What is it? What are you doing? Huh? I know, watch out. Hey, you gotta watch out. Oh, I'm putting this in here. Oh yeah, are you gonna... Okay, hold on. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, is that in the way? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, I got you good. I protected you. Good job. Okay. I gotta whack-a-doodle this in now.
You need the epoxy in there?
No, this one's a easy dry set one. So when I pull this up, this expands. Oh, can't do it. Expands. All of them do, but this one doesn't really need it. So it's gonna have this one in there. Watch out, baby girl. You got. Oh, yeah. Emerson, you gotta get back.
Emerson, come here, baby. Look, bring this over here. Mommy,
Yeah, you gotta blow all
Mommy
those
wants
leaves.
you to blow all the pine needles. Look.
Here, babe, you gotta.
Let go. Okay. Watch. Like this.
That's it.
You're gonna squish the what are they called? Threads.
Yellow. So it basically re-threads it. So okay, so that's good. There we go.
One big blades and two of the
Little ones. Okay.
and then I got
Okay. You gonna fix it? Yeah. Okay, good. Fix it. You gotta fix it, baby girl.
Oh, she got you now.
All right, bring it on over here. I need that one. Oh my God, thank you. Here, I'll put it in here.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets, 'cause I already forgot. I need to be stronger for my weakness. You think that I'm strong, but I'm not. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Can't defy physics on that one, babe.
Won't you stay?
Good.
Time races on, but I guess that we're not. A special bond became
I bought like a
closer than we forgot.
Maybe because of the weight of it.
Yeah, we forgot.
I mean, we're pretty much on point
Won't you stay?
from that one to that one, which is good because I did with
Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Hey, babe, while I'm doing this, do you have any encouraging words for any women out there? Huh? What about encouraging women that don't have any words to say? What do you have to say to them?
What? That makes no sense.
Well, you don't have any words to say, so there's got to be women out there just like you that don't have anything to say. What do you have to say?
I wouldn't say anything.
What do you have to? You should have been like yes, and that's it. Obviously, no words. All right, guys, another glorious, beautiful day in North Idaho. Once again, we are so thankful for you guys tuning in and watching and being a part of this journey of us building our home ourselves after having a home collapse on us last year that we didn't build. So we decided to build it ourselves. But if you haven't done so, go check out some of the other videos if you're just tuning in. This is all new to us, and we want to show people that we can do it, you can do it. Leave some comments, make sure you like, share, subscribe. It really helps us out as we grow, you grow, and yeah, we want to get as much content out there as possible. So thank you. What do you want? You want front, back? 1, 2, 3. You're so strong. Hold on.
Excited. I'm so strong.
What do you have to say to all the people of the gender class of female but non-female binary, trans?
I don't know. I'm not a part of that, so I don't know what.
What do you mean by that?
I'm not.
Oh boy, you just triggered like 50,000 million people out there. Cut this up. Oh, it's not that bad.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good on that end. So.
Yeah.
Oh man. All right, over there in that tool bag. You know where everything's at as much as I do. Or you can use a knife. That knife right there. Oh, I don't trust you with that. I can get you a plastic knife.
What?
You're gonna break my knife.
I need a plastic thing?
Mm-hmm. What good is love? Man, I sing that so perfect, the algorithm's gonna pick it up and we're gonna get a copyright claim. 149, right?
Yep.
Hey, it's your fault. It's your fault if it's bad.
You're the one that mentioned
I just
it.
okayed it with you. What good is love? Okay. That's what you told me back in the day. It's part of the Big Mama Jam Club. Why is that?
What did you guys do in this big Mama Jam Club?
You don't want to know. They're boobs. Everybody was a Big Mama Jamma because they have a Big Mama Jamma.
What?
I'm just saying. Why does that look so far off? Is it my eyes?
Do your eyes deceive you?
What is this? Let me see. What? It's a blade.
The blade's crooked?
That's what it looks like. It's not like that big of a thing right there, but
Yeah.
I just gotta be conscious of it.
Oh.
Yeah. That is 2 different cuts right there.
Oh, yeah.
That one looks more straight. Yeah. That is crazy. How did that even happen? I need to go over a little then. Like, an eighth of an inch.
Yeah. It's kind of like this.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, but something's gotta give today.
All right. Out. Come. Are you serious? A dead battery? Nicole drove this last. She left the lights on. Are you serious? Come on. All right, take another car. This should be good. All right, here we come. Safety Sally, you done messed up. Okay, here we go. Nicole was the last one to use this car too. This is ridiculous. She leaves the lights on every vehicle. I'll take the big car. Third one's a charm. Oh, we got lights. Yeah. Are you serious? 3 dead vehicles? This is insane. I got to take the ATV. This is crazy. Never fails me. How did this battery die? I don't understand. This is crazy. Never fails me. Let's go, baby. All right. Never fails me. Good old Bessie. Are you serious? There's only one more vehicle on this property. Jack, we have to drive it. Safety Sally, here I come.